Hey, how's it going, Miss Amy? This is the video journal responding to the How Do You Feel About Broadcast Sales class prompt. Well, the goals, whatever. It's kind of weird for me to tell you what it's about. You know what it's about. So anyway, I was kind of, I guess I would start out by saying that I was kind of alarmed whenever you said that you have a history of having students like complain about the course, and it sounds uncomfortably like I'm trying to like suck up to you, but I mean, I thought it was interesting when we were talking about it when Eric Gunzenhauser visited, because he made mention several times of how you have to sell yourself to, your client. And so having said that, I think it's very interesting thinking about the how you package things. In my head, it's more like in my history and in my head, I just think of like more like a solid packaged product, a physical thing. And in broadcast, we're working with less tangible, more creative kinds of things. And so it's just interesting having the whole conversation about how you present that as an item to be sold to somebody. Like, hey, this is this, and it costs this because of this. That whole thing it sounds very interesting, and I'm looking forward to it. And or maybe not. Maybe it'll be terrible. But either way, we're gonna give it a great shot. So that's at about a minute 38 seconds. That seems good enough, I guess. I don't know. I don't think I had any other thoughts though. I think he wanted to go to 2 minutes. But unfortunately, it looks like I did not finish the course entry quiz until the 24th. It's 2 o'clock on the 24th. So I just barely missed the 23rd. So I guess I'll throw that in there. I guess we'll see how that goes. Oh, and there's 2 minutes. See you tomorrow, Miss Amy. Have a good one.